Now let us talk about the exam pattern of KUAT. The total number of questions will be 50. Questions will be objective type. Total time allocated will be 120 minutes. There are 5 sections in this examination. 1. Logical reasoning. 2. General knowledge. 3. English. 4. Mathematics. 5th. Essay writing. Now I will share a few tips and tricks. I will tell you about tips and tricks of KUAT which will help you in the examination. As there is no negative marking, try to attempt all the questions. Read newspaper so that your English skills are improved. Also don't forget to do prep tests so that you know strengths and weaknesses. For this, I would recommend you use the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work. Revise your concepts thoroughly so that you don't forget anything. So if you value the content of a video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.